Hey everyone, as you can tell in the title, we're doing Tiger King cookies today. If you haven't watched the show, it's like making a murderer meets Jerry Springer. Despite watching the entire season, I still have a lot of unanswered questions. So I figured since I'm not going to get any answers anytime soon, might as well have some fun making some cookies. Alright, enough chatting, let's get started. Here I am using royal icing in flood consistency for the first layer of the cookie, making sure to use even pressure on the icing bag to evenly fill the cookie. Now I'm using a scribe tool to even out the icing. I can also use this to pop any air bubbles that happen in the icing. Here I'm outlining the cookie with orange royal icing and a little bit thicker than flood consistency, making sure to have a wide enough outline that we can draw tiger stripes on later. Next step is writing the words on the cookie. For this, I'm using stiff consistency royal icing in black and orange. If your hand is a little shaky in this step, you can just hold on to your forearm or your wrist to help steady your hand. Next, we're going to make a little tin can with black royal icing and stiff consistency. Make sure to make the tin can big enough for you to be able to decorate later. And we're going to let this cookie dry overnight. Once the cookie has fully dried overnight, we're going to use an edible food coloring marker to draw a little fish symbol and write the word oil on the little tin can. Next, we're going to take the food coloring marker and make tiger stripes on the border of the cookie, making the ends of the stripes thin while the center of the stripes are thicker. The stripes don't have to be exactly the same. It really helps to have a tiger print image to look at for reference when you're doing this. Now I'm using the fine point tip of the edible food coloring marker to put tiny little stripes on the lettering. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed making the Tiger King cookies with me today. If you like this video and want to see more like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks again, guys. See you later.